Hi everyone, good afternoon. Char. Today, Ben and I are going to look for a real Christmas tree, or is it real or live? Real. We are here in Sam's, and I think we saw some Christmas trees, and hopefully they're the kinds that I want. There they are. They are actually the ones that I want. Wow. Yep. Mas maganda siya yung nasa Walmart, ang lalaki. Gusto ko yung maliit lang. Pili ka ng hindi masyadong bulky, mine. Alright, so Van is choosing our Christmas tree. Ayaw ko na masyadong malaki. We are going to Lowe's to buy a Christmas tree stand. You guys have so much more Christmas tree options here, and Lowe's. I'm kind of sad that we went to Sam's first because they actually have the size that I'm looking for here, while the ones that we got, I'm not even sure if that's the size that I wanted because it's all like bundled or wrapped. Hey guys, so Ben and I just got back from getting our real Christmas tree. I am so excited to set it up, and well, for now we only have the Christmas tree stand and the tree. I haven't really decided on what ornaments to use this year. We were more on the organic, rustic, natural kind of vibe last year. There's a good chance that we're gonna do that again, but we'll see. I am unboxing the tree stand. Hopefully it's not too big because we don't have a lot of space, and we're planning on putting in one of the table there. So this is about 16 inches in diameter. Alright guys, so from my little research, apparently we have to like cut the bottom part of the trunk just so it's fresh and it'll be able to absorb water better. So I have been trying to cut off the bottom part using my butcher's knife and a steak knife, and it's not working. So that's how much I was able to cut off. So I am back and I got the handsaw, and I also went ahead and got some Christmas lights. So I really want it to look like a basket is holding it, or it's inside a basket, but the base of the stand is a little too wide for it. So if I do it like a basket like that, I'll show a little bit of the bottom of the, or a little bit of the base of the Christmas tree stand. But if I do it like how it's supposed to be, like this way, I don't know, it just doesn't look like a basket, and it's, I don't know, I kind of like the other way around. Still went ahead and made it look like the shape of a basket. So now the bottom part is showing, but I think I'm just gonna put like some cottons or something like that. I'm gonna make it look like there's snow in the bottom. We'll see how I can fix this because I don't like how it looks. But this is how it's looking so far. It smells so good. It smells like a Christmas tree because it is a Christmas tree. I honestly don't like how it looks like in the corner. So I am planning on putting it right in between the two sofas. I'm not sure if it's gonna look good, but I really just don't like how it looks here. It's probably a little crazy that I'm separating the sectional just to put the Christmas tree there, but I have a feeling it's gonna work, so we'll see. So you guys, I have just moved it there and I am already liking how it looks so far, so I think we are gonna keep it that way. So this is how it's looking so far. I have these little vases, I guess, and I think it'll be cute if I get some of the branches of the tree and I'll just stick it in here and add some water. I think that'll be kind of cute, just extra decorations around the house.